This YouTube channel has accumulated 6.6 million subscribers and over 1.3 billion views. It's been around for 10 years, and yet it still posts videos that get hundreds of thousands of views, some even as high as 13,100 views per hour. These are numbers most channels can only dream of. And here's the best part. You can do this without spending any money. Unlike what other so-called gurus tell you, all the tools I'll show you today are completely free. I'll guide you step by step through the process of creating your own YouTube videos using only AI tools that anyone can access right now. I'll take you through everything you need to know, from picking your niche, creating stories, and generating realistic AI voices, to editing and optimizing your videos for maximum reach. No fluff, no hidden costs, just pure, actionable content that works. As someone who is just starting my channel, my goal is to help you build your own YouTube channel and make at least $5,000 per month. So, if you're ready to get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions or feedback. I'll personally respond to every comment. Let's get into it and make this happen. First things first, let's get your new YouTube channel. If you've already done this part, feel free to skip ahead using the timestamps provided. For those starting fresh, here's how. Start by clicking on your profile picture icon at the top right. Then, select Switch Account, and under that, click on View All Channels. When the new page opens, go ahead and hit Create a Channel. Now we need to choose a catchy name for your channel. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it for 10 unique name ideas that match your niche, and maybe even take inspiration from your competitor's channel name. Personally, I like this name. It's edgy and mysterious. Copy it, paste it into the channel name box, tick the box, and hit Create. Done. I've also prepared a free Google Doc with all the steps, prompts, and tools from this video. You'll find the link pinned in the comments. Open it now to follow along in real time. Everything you need is just a click away. To create the logo, first, head over to the Google document below and copy the prompt. Then go to the free image generator Leonardo AI. Start by creating an account and navigating to the image creation section. Once you're in, make sure to switch on legacy mode in the settings. This advanced mode provides a detailed interface for precise control. Choose how many images you need for the project. Use the Leonardo Lightning XL style model for the best results. Set the resolution to a 1:1 ratio for that perfect widescreen format. Now paste your prompt from Google Docs into the input field and hit Generate. After generating the images, choose the one you like the most and upload it to your YouTube channel. For the banner, I recommend using Canva. It's user-friendly, and they've got templates already in the correct size for YouTube. Just type YouTube banner into the search bar. Select a template that fits your style. I went with a scary theme, and tweak it to make it your own. You can remove any elements you don't need. Change the text to whatever you like. Don't stress about it too much at first. Once the visual elements are sorted, let's talk SEO optimization. YouTube is all about discoverability, so let's make sure your channel gets seen. We'll use vidIQ, an awesome free tool that I highly recommend. After logging in, head to Keywords. Type in something like scary stories and look for keywords that have high search volume and low competition. You can check this by looking at the vidIQ score. Copy those keywords and paste them into the keywords section of your channel settings. Simple, but effective. Now, let's move on to your channel description. Copy the prompt from the Google document. Then go to ChatGPT and paste it in. Make sure to add the keywords you found using vidIQ. Let ChatGPT generate a description for your channel based on those keywords and your niche. Paste that into the description section in your settings, and you're all set for the foundation of your channel. The most exciting part? Creating your very first video. You may think creating a script is hard, but don't worry, I've got you covered. First, find a video with the most views from your competitor. Next, we need to extract the script from this video to use as a foundational resource. To do this, open the video description and click on Show Transcript. This handy feature provides a full transcription of the video, giving us a clear structure to work with. Now copy the prompt from the Google document and paste it into ChatGPT, adding the script you just copied. Let ChatGPT generate an original script for your channel based on the style and structure of the competitor's video, ensuring it's unique and fresh. This way, we've got a unique script for our video that incorporates all the elements to make it go viral. Once the script is ready, the next step is to create the voiceover. For this, we're using 11 Labs, which has a free plan. I'm not going to tell you to create a custom voice though. Instead, I recommend using this voice. But remember that without experimentation and your own opinion, you will not become popular on YouTube. After selecting it, simply paste your script and let 11 Labs do its magic. Now that we've got the voiceover ready, it's time to bring the visual aspect of our video to life. This part is crucial in creating an engaging experience for your audience. To create visuals, we first need detailed image prompts. Return to Google Docs, locate the prompt template, and paste it into ChatGPT. Now that your prompts are ready, it's time to turn them into stunning visuals using Leonardo AI. Once you're in, make sure to switch on Legacy mode in the settings. This advanced mode provides a detailed interface for precise control. Choose how many images you need for the project. Use the Leonardo Kino XL model for the best results. The great thing is that this model is available for free, so you won't need a subscription. Set the resolution to a 16:9 ratio for that perfect widescreen format. Now, paste your prompt from Google Docs into the input field and hit Generate. Review each result carefully. Select the best versions and regenerate any that don't meet your expectations. Of course, static images alone won't keep the audience engaged for long. To animate the images and create movement, you can use Leonardo AI's motion video feature. However, keep in mind that this feature is unavailable on free accounts. But there's an even better alternative, Minimax by Hailuo. This powerful tool creates incredibly realistic videos. With a Google login, you get more than 1,000 credits, which is more than enough. Simply upload your images into Minimax. If you need basic camera movement, you won't have to add any prompts. But if you want something more specific, simply copy the prompt from Leonardo AI and paste it into Minimax. The video has a watermark, but don't worry, we'll remove it during the editing process. Download all the videos you've created. Now, let's improve the quality of your videos using the free neural enhancement tool from CapCut. The link is provided in the Google Doc. Simply upload your video, click Enhance Quality, and then download your enhanced video. And now, the final part, editing our video. For this, we'll be using the free app CapCut. Open CapCut, click Import, and voila! All your assets will appear neatly in CapCut, ready to go. Next, we need to import the voiceover and trim out all the unnecessary pauses. Fast-paced videos grab attention better, especially when creating short-form content. Here's how you can trim out the pauses. Locate the end of a pause in your audio track. Zoom in for precision and press Ctrl+1B, or click the split button. Highlight the unnecessary section and press Q to cut it. Repeat this process across the track, but don't overdo it. Leave some natural gaps for breathing room to keep it conversational. Now that the voiceover is polished, let's align your visuals. As promised, let's remove the watermark from the video. Drag your video clips to the timeline in the correct sequence. Select each video clip and click Resize. Crop the watermark from each video, repeating the process for every clip. Let's add a professional touch with transitions. For more unique transitions, go to the Trending or Movement tabs in the Transitions menu. Select individual transitions for each clip, adjusting the length as needed. Experiment with transitions like starlight, slide left, or mix to give the video a dynamic feel. By customizing each transition, you'll create a more polished and professional look. Now, let's add some background music to set the mood. Open the Google document I shared earlier. You'll find several links to websites offering free music, like Pixabay. Go to the Pixabay website, type scary background music in the search bar, and download a track you like. Return to CapCut and import the downloaded track into your project. Drag the music file to the timeline. To adjust the music, click on the track and reduce its volume by adjusting the volume slider in the top left corner. Sound effects are where your video really pops. To use AI for keywords, follow these steps. Copy the prompt from the Google Doc and paste it into ChatGPT along with your script. ChatGPT will generate a list of keywords based on your script. Take the keywords ChatGPT provides and use them to search for sound effects on websites like Pixabay or others. Go to Pixabay, select the sound effects category, and paste the keywords into the search bar. Browse through the results and choose the sound effect you like. After selecting the sound effect, add it to the timeline in CapCut and sync it with the exact moment in your video. Click on the sound effect in the timeline and adjust its volume to ensure it enhances the scene without overpowering the main audio. The effect should complement, not dominate, the video. Use sound effects sparingly, ideally every 2-3 seconds to create atmosphere without overwhelming the viewer. Let's make everything look polished and professional. Use a filter you like, such as this one. Adjust its intensity around 30% to add a cinematic feel. For captions, use CapCut's Auto Captions feature. Generate the captions. Check for errors and adjust line breaks for better readability. To make the text stand out, keep the font size manageable and position it at the bottom of the screen for easy reading. Finally, it's time to export your finished video. Click Export, select the resolution 4K or 1080p, and hit Export. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and like. If there's anything you didn't like, feel free to leave a comment. And if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them in the comments.